Hello everyone, myself Sachin Haridas Rohane, Assistant Professor, Yashoda Technical Campus, Faculty of Pharmacy, Satara. Today we are focusing on structure-activity relationship of barbiturate derivatives. The barbiturate derivatives are central nervous system depressant that causes drowsiness. Barbiturate produce a wide spectrum of CNS depression from mild sedation to coma and have been used as a sedative, hypnotic, anesthetic, and anticonvulsant. But they can be addictive and abused too. Excessive dose can be causes depression, slurred speech, slow reflexes, and confusion. Extensive synthesis and testing of barbiturates derivative over a long period of time span produce a well-defined structure-activity relationship, which have been summarized here. The lead nucleus present in barbiturates derivative is barbituric acid, that is 2,4,6-trioxyhexahydropyrimidine. This nucleus is lack in CNS depressant activity, but on modification they show very good antidepressant activity. The first point in SAR, that is CNS depressant activity. The replacement of both the hydrogen at C5 position by alkyl or aryl group confirms the activity. If one hydrogen is available at C5 position, results into tautomerization to a highly acidic trihydroxypyrimidine. This is an anionic compound at physiological pH. So very little non-ionic lipid-soluble compound available to cross blood-brain barrier. Here I mentioned three examples which represent the replacement of both the hydrogen either by aryl group or by alkyl group. And all these three examples shows very good CNS depressant activity. The next point in SAR, that is potency and duration of action. The potency and duration of action depends upon the length of side chain present at C5 position. Here I mention one example, that is pentobarbital. The C5 hydrogen is replaced with ethyl group. The length of chain contains 2 carbon atom. In next example, that is secobarbital, the C5 hydrogen is replaced with the propyl side chain. The chain contains 3 carbon atom. So 1 carbon is extra in secobarbital compared to pentobarbital, and secobarbital having more duration of action compared to pentobarbital, and it is more potent compared to pentobarbital. So it indicates that length of chain responsible for potency and duration of action. The third point in SAR, that is more rapid onset of action. Here the sulfur plays very much important role on onset of action. When we replace this sulfur with oxygen, it means that when we replace oxygen with sulfur, compound name is thiopental. It shows its action within a minute. When we compare other non-sulfur compound like pentobarbital, whose action start within half an hour. So it means that sulfur plays a very much important role on onset of action. The next point in SR, that is lipophilicity and drug action. Increasing lipophilicity, increasing hypnotic potency and onset of action as it crosses triple B easily. On other side, there is decrease in duration of action. There are two possibilities for modification. First possibility at N1 position and second possibility at C2 position. First modification, that is at N1 position, when N1 is substituted by alkyl group, that is example methohexital, the lipophilicity is increases and it shows fastest onset of action. Second modification, that is C2 oxygen, when replaced with sulfur, compound become thiopental. Again lipophilicity increases and it again shows fastest onset of action. These two modification leads to affect the onset of action. Next point in SAR, that is the excitatory side effect. The methylation at N1 position, compound name is methohexital. This derivative shows excitatory side effect. When you see other barbiturates derivative, they are non-substituted at N1 position. The only example is methohexital, who shows the methylation at N1 position and shows excitatory side effect. The last point in SAR, that is stereoisomerism. In barbiturates, the L isomer are twice potent compared to D isomer. and generally barbiturates derivative marketed as a racemic mixture. Here I quoted one example, that is methohexital. The two carbon, it contains two asymmetric carbon atom. One is at C5 and another is in side chain. These two asymmetric carbon atom produces four stereoisomer, and this methohexital available in the market as a racemic mixture, that is the alpha DL methohexital. So here in this way we have summarized the structure active relationship of barbiturates derivative. In next video we will focus on the new topic from medicinal chemistry. Till time, thank you.